Hi, my name is Nathan, and this is my bike
I
check.
got plenty ambition, you should never try to sleep on me. Cause I won't stop until I'm securing the victory. Wake up in the morning with that positive energy.
So we are gonna start from the top of the bike. So my grips are the Audis long neck. They sit on the Chromac handlebar. The handlebar has 720mm of width, 30mm of rise, and 31.8mm clamping. The brake is a Haltech 3. Moving down to the frame, it's an NS Bikes Decade frame in a nice black and black colorway. The fork is a RockShox CRE that has been cut down to 100mm of travel. Okay, moving down to the cranks. They are Truvativ descended on one side and SRAM GX Eagle on the other side. Both are 165mm of length. The seat is a collaboration between Sixpack and Emily Johansson. It's a very nice seat and I recommend it to everyone. Okay, so moving to the front wheel. The hub is a Shimano DR hub, laced up with a Halo T2 rim. The tire is a Continental Race King. The back wheel is a Dartmoor Real Pro hub. It sounds really nice. Laced up with an Octane 1 Solar Pro rim. The tire of my choice for the back wheel is a Canada Small Block 8. Okay, I think that was it for the bike check. If you have any questions, let me know down below and I will answer them all. See ya! Hi, my name is Nathan and this is my bike.